How to find history on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find history on Samsung Internet Browser. First then open the browser and now just click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, click this one here, history. Click on it and here you will find history on Samsung Internet Browser, and you can delete your history if you click these 3 points here in the top corner and click clear or delete. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.